Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel Any Technology. From this video onward we are going to start our Kotlin series. In our Kotlin series we are going to cover a lot of topics. Our first topic will be about variables, and here we will discuss about VAR and VAL and what is the difference between them. So let's get started. The IDE which we are going to use throughout this course will be IntelliJ. So I hope that you have installed the IntelliJ from their official website. So let me open IntelliJ. Let me create a new project. And we will choose our language as Kotlin. And let's click on next and give this a name. Name will be Kotlin course and just click on finish. Open it in a new window. Now let's create a file. And name it. So name will be my Kotlin class 1 and just hit enter. So first of all you have to type in fun main args array of string. Here we will put our all code. Before we get started and learn about variable and the main difference between var and val, first of all let's print something. Print our Kotlin course. Now I'm going to show you how can you run this in your terminal. So you just have to right click in here and run this one. It is building. So as you can see, our Kotlin course is printed here. If I type in something else, our Kotlin class 1, and now print this by just clicking on this run button. So as you can see, these are printed in a same line. So if you want to put a line cap, so we just type in here print ln and ln. So these things will be printed on a separate line. Now let's run this. And here you can see that. Okay, now we know how to print something in Kotlin. So let's get started with our main topic, which is about variable. So how can you declare a variable? To declare a variable in Kotlin, you have to type VAR, name the variable, for example num, double colon, and its data type, either it's integer, string, boolean, etc. In our case, we are going to use string, and you can assign it a value, for example John Walker. And if you want to print this now, just type in print ln, the name is. So here you can print the name in two ways. first of all, you can type $sign num. Oops, it's num. I have to give this a name and replace it with a name. And the other way is you can concatenate it with plus sign name. So let's try both ways and it will give us same result, name. Now just let's run this. So as you can see, the name is John Walker. Now what's the difference between val or var? So let's give this a val and print it. So as you can see that both are working. But now what if I want to change this value? For example, name equal to Steve Rogers. So as you can see that you cannot modify the name because its data type is string and it's defined in val. But if I change this to VAR, so now you can modify this, and if I run this now, it will print something like this. My name is Steve Roger and my name is Steve Roger. And now let me copy this from here to show you what I actually meant by this. So what do you think? In our case, the first name that will be printed is the original name, which is John Walker, and the other name which is going to print it is the name which we just modified. Now let's run this. So as you can see that it's just printed John Walker and Steve Roger. So the main difference between the val and var is you can modify the value of var. In case of val, you cannot modify its value. So that's it from this video, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like our video, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.